In this video, I'll explain FBAC-LSM, then demonstrate the process of confining applications using FBAC-LSM. FBAC-LSM is a Linux security module with tools for managing policy. FBAC-LSM defines policy in terms of the functionalities applications are allowed to perform. Application policies define what each application is allowed to do, and functionalities are assigned to application policies based on what functions the application should provide. Functionalities represent the authority to perform a type of behavior. Functionalities are tuned to the needs of specific applications by providing parameter arguments which describe application-specific details such as where the application stores certain files. Separate users can create their own policies to restrict the applications they run. The policies for applications and functionalities are stored in the etc/FBAC-LSM directory. Application policy files specify which functionalities each application is allowed to perform and supplies application-specific information. They can also grant specific direct privileges in addition to the functionalities which grant a number of privileges depending on the nature of the functionality. Functionality policy files define the privileges that functionalities provide. Tools exist which are used by users to create and manage application policies. Parameter arguments and privileges use resource names, and wildcards can be used to describe any resources which matches the specified name. So, when defining what an application can do, the following wildcards can be used. A single asterisk represents any number of characters except a /. Double asterisks represents any number of characters including a /, meaning that it can include contained directories, and a hash represents any number of numbers. Directories end in a /, so names ending with a / will only match directories. Names ending with a asterisk won't match directories, and names ending with double asterisks can match directories, because the double asterisks can match a /. You can see some examples here. FBAC-LSM application policies can be in one of three states: enforcing, complaining, or disabled mode. When in enforcing mode, the program is restricted to actions which the application policy authorizes. Any attempts to act beyond this are denied and logged. When in complaining mode, the application is not restricted by the policy, but any actions which would be denied in enforcing mode are logged. Complaining mode is used by the learning tool in the FBAC-LSM Policy Manager. Using the Policy Manager, new application policies are created in enforcing mode and are usually only set to complaining mode while using the learning tool, which could be used if the created policy does not allow the application to function as expected. The process of confining a program using FBAC-LSM involves creating an application policy, then loading the policy. If necessary, the policy can be updated and reloaded. The FBAC-LSM Policy Manager can guide you through the process of creating an application policy based on the functionalities the application provides. Then you save your changes and load the policy into the security module. Your changes are not in effect until you load the policy into the FBAC-LSM security module. Then, if you find that the application needs extra privileges, you can edit the application policy or use the learning mode to add the policy. The FBAC-LSM Manager command starts the graphical FBAC-LSM Policy Manager tool. FBAC-LSM Server reloads the policy files from disk into effect. FBAC-LSM Tried lists the access attempts which have been denied by FBAC-LSM. Now I'll demonstrate the process of confining an application using FBAC-LSM.